Okay, Mark. That is why I say, in the
Slowly, wait.
no, let's go.
Wait. This thing is heavy, man.
No.
Yeah, bro.
Listen, heavy is here. Just change your mindset. Switch on. This is very simple.
How am I supposed to check? I told you this thing is heavy.
Coco is coming. Listen, Mark. Tell Coco you chose this one over this one. Ne? You chose this one.
Okay.
Because Coco will behave that you are a strong man.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Go.
I knew that as long as you are with Slwan,
Everything
you're
is
gonna
fine.
suffer.
No.
Throw that away. Throw that away.
Go,
Throw
go,
that
go,
clock
go.
away.
I chose this one. I wanna,
Yeah.
you know, I'm
This
strong.
one.
Mark,
Did
strong.
I'm strong. You can
Yeah.
If you are strong, so Slwan, where is yours?
No, Coco.
Oh, then it's supposed to.
Ngitshela ukuthi nisaba lethu.
Silwana phela fanele lo mlungu ngawe umfundisa tindolo tendaba. Mark, it's supposed to be equal. Look at this.
Ngifuna ukuqonda thinselo mlungu. Ngifuna ukuqonda thinselo. Let's go, Mark.
Utawuduba lo mlungu
Ngeke
ahambe.
azathuba
Utawuduba lo mlungu
Wena lo mlungu
ahambe.
uyamona mani Coco. Ha?
Lo mlungu
Okay, cha.
angiboni.
Uyamona lo mlungu.
Sitawuzuza njani kulo
Uyamona lo
mlungu?
mlungu.
Let me help you, Mike. Let me help you.